Today we're going to be going through a demonstration of the Control4 whole home audio setup. So the first thing we do is we start out with the Control4 remote and we push the big 4 to turn everything on. I'm going to get closer so we can see. Once the screen comes up, we have quite a few options. In this case, what we want to do is we want to go to music, and we're going to choose some music off the hard drive, and we want to listen to Rhapsody right now, which is an online music service. And we will go I'm in the mood for some blues. So now music has started in here, and what we want to do is we want to put music in the dining room in preparation for some guests who are arriving, in the kids' room, also in the master bedroom and the master bath. So that way as we get ready we'll have some music. So this time we go to zones. Here it tells us what's currently playing in what room and even how loud. So we're going to tell it we want to add some zones. We're going to choose the dining room, the guest room, master bedroom, and the master bath. We'll hit OK. As we can see, it's added quite a few things, and I'm going to set the volume for all of them right at 50%. That sounds about right. Now we're going to walk in those rooms and we can adjust them with the audio keypads. This is the dining room. In order to reduce wall clutter, we've added some volume up and volume down buttons on the actual Vantage lighting keypad. Okay, so I wanted to turn it up here. I like how that sounds. Let's check the other rooms. This is the master bedroom, and it's a little bit quiet in here, so we're going to adjust it from this keypad. And that sounds about right. We have speakers in the ceiling here. The other room to check is the master bathroom. Now in the master bathroom, we actually have a TV and another Control4 remote. So what we can do here is we can say we decided we don't want the dining room on anymore. We can turn on this TV and turn the dining room off. So we're going to go back into zones. Actually, what we need to do is we need to change the living room. What this lets us do is the living room started the party. So because of that, we're gonna change it from the living room. We're gonna come down, we're gonna choose, let's mute the master bedroom. Let's mute the master bathroom. And we'll turn off the dining, and we'll turn off the guest room. And now we can go back to the keypad in the master bedroom and adjust the volume from there without using a TV. So one button will turn this off. And when we decide in the master bedroom that We're in the mood for music again. Simply pushing volume up, we'll continue where we left off.